All right, so the building I told you about from the investor is the building behind me. So I am currently in the process of getting it all set up. I'm setting up 3 units in this building. I have all 4 units, but one isn't ready. So I am working on 3 units right now, but I'm setting up one at a time. So check me out. All right, you guys, I just want to let you know that I am finished with unit 1 of 4 units, right? So I am going to show you what the unit looks like. Now, there are a few little things I need to do as far as maybe hanging up a few more pictures, but that's about it, and maybe installing one more TV. I am waiting to install the TVs because this building is totally vacant. It's really just a security measure. I don't want to put anything of value in this property until someone at least is here on a regular basis to kind of watch over the property, or either just know what's happening here at the property. But since it's vacant and I'm just coming back and forth, I don't want to put the TVs in quite yet until I have a guest. But I am going to show you what it looks like, the final product. Here we go. All right, so I hope you guys like it. And I'm actually in the second unit now. You see, I've started hanging some pictures up. I still have some more stuff to do in the kitchen and bedrooms and bathroom. But this one I probably will have wrapped up maybe I'm sure by next week I'll have it wrapped up, so it shouldn't be a problem. But I would like to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Continue to follow my journey. Continue to see what I'm doing in my corporate rental business. And I'll talk to you guys later. And also make sure you check the links below in the description for some free good giveaways and goodies for you guys. And if you're interested in working with me privately, I have a link below for you to click on for a free consultation and see what I can help you with. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.